Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your payment method on Fortnite. Now to change your payment method on Fortnite, what you do is that you log into your Epic Games account, which is where I am right now. So from your preferred browser you type www.epicgames.com. You can also do that through your Fortnite game. So you log into your Fortnite game or through the Epic Games website, which is exactly where I am, Epic Games website. Then the next thing you do, you have to go to account settings. This is account settings. Then you click on your username in the top right corner and select account. That's as if you are using the other one, but as in the game, the Fortnite game. But since I'm using this, I'm going to show you how to use your web. So you don't need to do that. Just simply go here and click on payment management. So if you're also using the game, just simply after clicking on account, remember I said so, click on account, then you click on payment management. So it should still bring you here, payment management. And then the next thing you do is you go here, payment method, and then as you can see I haven't added any payment method, but in case you have, this is what you do. So when you get to payment method, you click on edit next to your current payment method, and then you enter the new information. And then if you want to add a new method, you don't just want to add a new method, a new payment method, you just simply click on add a payment method and follow the on-screen instructions to enter your new payment details. So once you're through, like then I want to add new one, I just simply click on this, and I feel this is the on-screen instruction over here. So if you need to click on save billing account and the rest of them, so to keep on popping up. So you just follow the instructions, then enter your new payment details, and then you click on save changes to confirm. That's all. And then your payment method on Fortnite should now be updated. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, you can always refer to the official Epic Games support website or contact their customer support for assistance. So I hope you found this video helpful on how to change payment method on Fortnite. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.